Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie and you're on my channel Home Gardening. Today I came to you with another video. Today I want to show you my beautiful begonias that we've been propagated together in few of my previous video. If you haven't seen that video yet, please subscribe to this channel and please research the channel so you can find any of the video about growing begonias, begonia rex from seed, from part of a seed. If you haven't seen my videos about begonias, growing begonias from a leaf, from a part of a leaf, please, you can see that videos, you can watch that videos on my channel, so you can search through the channel and to find any videos you like to watch about how to grow a begonia, how to grow a ZZ plant, how to grow some exotic fruit, and so on and so forth. So today we've been talking about how to grow begonias from a leaf. So actually I've showed the process. We've been growing this type of begonia. It's Begonia Griffon. We've been growing it together with you guys. I've showed you one of the method how you can grow this type of begonia. So just take the biggest, the healthiest leaf, just cut it, put it in the water. I use a rooting hormone powder with water, or you can just immediately put it in the soil. Also, I prefer to use a rooting hormone powder in it and just stick in the soil like this, and in a few weeks you will see these small, tiny, beautiful babies growing from the soil. While the leaf is propagated, so it can be looking like this, so it's dying, but this leaf is good for the next propagation. For example, what I'm talking about, for example, let's take this bush of begonia. Also, I've been growing just from a single leaf, stick into the dirt. So as you can see, this bush is rather big enough. It has a lot of leaves, it has a lot of new growth, so it's, so to say, can be independent. Okay, so what I do when I have the situation like this, when I have a healthy leaf that propagated thousands of new leaves, thousands of babies, so what I prefer to do with this type of bush, I want to repropagate it one more time. So take our bush, take a scissors, and I just cut the leaf the deeper I can, like this, and take my leaf out. Wow, I've cut it one leaf also, but okay, it's not a problem. And so now I have an independent small bush of begonia plant, and also I have a leaf for another propagation. And this is the good example of leaf propagation actually. Because you can propagate it from a part of a leaf, as I showed in one of my previous video. These wings are very good for that type of propagation, they are big enough, and also the leaf is healthy looking, so of course I will be propagated one more time. Okay, the next, as for this type of begonia, I will wait for a few weeks to this bush to grow a little bit bigger, and of course I will cut that leaf away. Also I will cut this leaf also. So as you can see, this bush is, wow, there are a lot of new leaves. And of course I will cut that leaf for another propagation. Why not? If the leaf is okay, if the leaf is healthy looking, so why not? As for this bush, of course it's good looking, healthy looking, but as for me, I would recommend to wait for a few weeks. Maybe 2 weeks will be enough, because as you can see, there are a lot of new growths over there from the ground, here also there. So there are a lot of new growth. But as for me, this bush is a bit small, so in 2 weeks I will cut this leaf also. Also I have this type of begonia, also with babies. Also there are a lot of new growths, and actually the secret of such amount of new growth is, first of all, I put a leaf in a water with a rooting hormone powder. Second of all, I water my leaf with a drop of fertilizer. I've mentioned in my previous video, I used different types of fertilizer that works for me the best, that works for begonias the best. So just read the instruction, read the ingredients, so to say, of the fertilizer you use, and yeah, this will be the secret. Using fertilizer, water your leaves, water your begonias using fertilizer. That will be the secret of huge amount of new growth. Also here you see the leaf of a very beautiful type of begonia actually. And come on, who is over here? A baby is growing over here. So this video is actually about what I like to do when I have the situation like this, when I have a big bush and I have a still healthy and a still alive leaf. Also, this video is about how to produce such amount of new leaves, such amount of new babies. Just add a fertilizer in the water, add a fertilizer in the soil when your leaves are growing. And actually, yeah, this video is a result. So I've showed you that I stick a leaf in the soil, but I haven't showed you the result, what I had in 2-3 few weeks. So now I showed it to you guys. I told you everything, I hope everything. I showed up all my secrets actually. Yeah, because many people do not know the tips, the secrets, how to have a success when growing begonias from a single leaf. So I hoped I revealed all my secrets for you guys. I hoped this video was informative for you. I showed you the result, what I have when I propagate my begonia leaves. Also, I showed you the simplest method that I like to do when I have no time or I have no space enough for them. So I just take the whole leaf, stick in the water or stick in the soil and just wait for a few weeks, and that's all. Also, do not forget that you can propagate your begonia from the part of a leaf. Just cut that veins and stick them in the soil. Of course it will be growing. So yeah, this is it for today. Thank you for coming. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you very soon. Bye bye.